Sindhudurga, a district which has always attracted so many wanderers. This is a district of many beautiful forts. Various types of forts like sea forts, land forts, coastal forts, hill forts can be seen in this district. Today, we are going to visit one such beautiful fort. Hello everyone, I Swapnil Khod welcome you all to this brand new episode of Trails and Tales. Today we have come to visit Bharatgarh. Bharatgarh and Bhagwangarh are two beautiful forts standing on each side of the creek. Soon we'll have a look at Bhagwangarh Fort in our briefcase series. In this episode of Trails and Tales, I'll take you to visit this marvelous Bharatgarh Fort. Let's go then. Bharatgarh and Bhagwangarh on both sides of Kalaval Creek have been defending this area since last few centuries. As soon as you enter through the first gate, you can see the strong construction of the fort. It is said that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had inspected this hill, but due to lack of water, he avoided building a fort here. Later, Wadikar Sawant built a fort here, but even he faced scarcity of water. The second fort ruled Bharatgarh, one of the forts owned by Sawant. Tulaji Angre conquered this fort from Wadikars in 1749. But the fort did not remain in his possession for long. Later, the fort was ruled alternatively by Karvir dynasty, Wadikars, and even by the British. The fort's citadel is protected by a rampart. We are now at Citadel of Bharatgarh Fort. Citadel is an important part of the fort. There are two main routes to enter Citadel of Bharatgarh. First is the one we have chosen, and we'll see the other one later in the episode. Apart from this, you can get to see amazing fortifications. From here, you can see panoramic view of the fort. There is a well in the fort which is more than 200 feet deep. This temple of Siddheshwar has been given a modern look by painting it. Such beautiful towers are built on the ramparts of the fort. This is a deep well, often underlining lack of water on the fort. As soon as I entered here, I experienced cold. It reminded me well of Kamalgarh. Next to it are magnificent castle-like squares. The barn is an important structure on the fort itself. This must be a granary of Bharatgarh. The various parts of barn look like chiseled castles. Surprised to see grandeur of the towers here. Salute to the fort builder who built this 3-story tower. we often get lost on the pages of history when we see these monolithic ramparts of the fort, the modern fans, the magnificent fort and mango forest on the fort. Bharatgarh is a really beautiful fortress and is must visit on your bucket list. I hope you liked this video. So, if you loved the video, do like the video, subscribe to our channel, do share with your near and dear ones. Signing off from this episode of Trails and Tells. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.